Have you ever made a mistake and then kept thinking about it for days? Maybe you said the wrong thing in class. Maybe you failed a test. Maybe you tried something new and it didn't work out the way you hoped. In those moments, it's easy to start believing something painful. Maybe I'm just not good enough. But here's the truth that many people forget. Mistakes do not define who you are. They are simply part of how you learn and grow. Every single person on this planet makes mistakes. Students make mistakes. Teachers make mistakes. Athletes, artists, scientists, and leaders all make mistakes too. In fact, many of the most successful people in the world failed many times before they succeeded. Mistakes are not proof that you can't do something. They are proof that you are trying. Think about how we learn basic things in life. When a baby learns to walk, they fall many times. But nobody looks at that baby and says, well, I guess walking just isn't for them. Instead, we encourage them to stand up and try again. Over time, those small failures turn into success. Learning new skills works the same way. Whether you're learning math, sports, art, or music, mistakes are part of the process. Each mistake shows you what doesn't work yet, and that information helps you get closer to what does work. Sometimes the real problem isn't the mistake itself. It's how we think about it afterward. When people repeat negative thoughts like, I'm bad at this, or I always mess up, those thoughts slowly damage their confidence. But a mistake should be treated like feedback, not a final judgment. Instead of saying, I failed, you can ask a better question. What can I learn from this? Maybe you need more practice. Maybe you need a different strategy. Maybe you just need more time. Growth rarely happens in a straight line. It's more like a path with bumps, turns, and sometimes even a few wrong directions. Another important thing to remember is that one moment does not represent your entire story. A single bad grade does not define your intelligence. A single awkward moment does not define your personality. And one failure does not define your future. You are much bigger than one mistake. You are a person who can improve, adapt, and keep moving forward. Some of the strongest people you will ever meet are not the ones who never failed. They are the ones who kept going after failure. They learned, adjusted, and tried again. Over time, those experiences built their strength and confidence. So the next time you make a mistake, try to see it in a different way. Instead of seeing it as proof that you're not capable, see it as a step in your journey. Because mistakes are not the end of your story. They are often the beginning of your growth. And the person you become tomorrow will be shaped not by avoiding mistakes, but by learning from them.